AI isn't replacing jobs the way people think it is. It's not a sudden takeover. It's not a dramatic moment. And it's definitely not something that happens overnight. What's actually happening is much quieter. And because it's quiet, most people don't see it coming. AI is slowly replacing specific parts of work, while leaving other parts completely untouched. And most people don't notice this shift until they start feeling unnecessary. Most people ask the wrong question. They ask, will AI replace my job? That question sounds logical, but it completely misses what's actually happening. The real question is this: which parts of my job are already being replaced without me even noticing? Because AI does not replace job titles. It replaces tasks. And it always starts with the tasks that feel small, routine, or invisible. AI is not replacing people. It's replacing repeatable thinking. That's the key distinction. Any task that follows a predictable pattern is already at risk. Not because AI is brilliant, but because patterns are easy to automate. Think about the kind of work that feels familiar. The kind of work you can almost do on autopilot. That's exactly where AI steps in first. AI is quietly replacing things like drafting the first version of content, summarizing long information, formatting ideas into clean outputs, basic research and comparisons, routine analysis, predictable decision paths. None of this feels dramatic. But over time, it adds up. These tasks used to take hours. Now they take minutes. And soon, they'll take seconds. This is why AI feels confusing to so many people. Some people say, AI is stealing work. Others say, AI is making me insanely productive. Both are looking at the same technology. Same tools. Same access. Same moment in time. But very different outcomes. Here's the part that makes this especially dangerous. AI does not announce what it replaces. There's no alert. No warning. No notification. Tasks just quietly disappear. One day, emails are shorter. Reports are generated faster. Meetings need fewer people. Decisions happen earlier in the process. And suddenly, someone feels less needed, less involved, or less essential. But they can't explain why. That feeling isn't imagination. It's silent replacement. Now here's the part that almost everyone gets wrong. AI will never replace everything. In fact, AI will never replace the most important parts of work. AI will never replace judgment. It will never replace taste. It will never replace context. It will never replace responsibility. It will never replace ownership. It will never replace accountability. AI can generate options, but it cannot decide why something matters. AI can suggest actions, but it cannot live with the consequences. AI can simulate confidence, but it cannot take responsibility when something goes wrong. This is where the real divide begins. The people who struggle with AI are usually the ones whose work is built entirely on patterns. The people who thrive with AI are the ones who provide direction. They decide what matters. They frame the problem. They choose the goal. They make the final call. They own the outcome. AI doesn't replace those people. AI amplifies them. This is why the same AI can make one person feel replaceable and another person feel unstoppable. The difference isn't intelligence. The difference isn't access. The difference isn't even experience. The difference is where the human sits in the process. AI replaces patterns. AI amplifies direction. And this shift is already happening. Quietly. Gradually. Every day. Not AI versus humans, but humans who rely on patterns versus humans who create direction. AI isn't taking over work. It's reshaping who work belongs to. And the people who understand this early don't panic. They adapt. Because once you see the shift clearly, you stop fearing AI and start deciding where you belong. Which side are you on?